Did you know that IP addresses are divided into classes to suit networks of all sizes? Whether you're managing a small office or a massive enterprise, understanding IP address classes is crucial for efficient networking. In this video, we'll break down Class A, B, C, D, and E addresses and show you how to choose the right one for your network. Ready to optimize your IP addressing? Let's dive in.
To accommodate networks of different sizes, IP addresses are divided into categories called classes. At the beginning of the Internet is IANA that is determined the classes. Each IP address is made up of a set network and a set host. IP hosts use Class A, B, and C IP addresses for unicast, that is, host-to-host communications. Class A is an address book which is designed to support extremely large networks with over 16 million host addresses per network. It only uses the first byte to indicate the network address. The remaining 3 bytes are used for host addresses. The first bit of an address, Class A, always begins with A0, which gives us an IP range of 0 to 127. Small exception here. Range 127 cannot be used, as it is reserved for loopback addresses and for diagnostic purposes. A loopback interface is a virtual interface. That is, it does not exist. It is mainly used on routers to act as the network recycle bin. Packets with errors will be sent directly to this loopback address, which will be deleted automatically when the packet has reached its lifetime. Class B is designed to meet the needs of networks with more than 65,000 hosts. It uses 2 of the 4 bytes to indicate the network address. The remaining 2 bytes are reserved for hosts. The first 2 bits of the first byte always start with 10 in binary, which gives us an IP range of 128 to 191. And Class C is the most widely used address class, as it is intended for small networks with a maximum of 254 hosts per network. Here, the first 3 bytes of the IP address identify the network part, and the remaining byte is reserved for the host part. A Class C address always starts with a binary of 110. We have networks going from 192 to 223. So there are also 2 other classes which are not intended for IP hosts. Class D is dedicated to multicast applications, for example for streaming. It must begin with the binary 1110, and therefore goes from 224 to 239. And Class E is reserved by IANA as an experimental address block. It starts with 1111 and goes from 200 to 255. Class D and E IP addresses are special cases. They are never assigned to hosts.